This one's gonna be really fun. I've got some regrets on this one. So my local thrift store, before they open the store, they will post items that they have for sale, and then you have an opportunity to call before the store opens and ask any questions about any of those items or have them hold it for you. So here recently, I've been going to the store and everything that's nice is already sold because people have called ahead of time and put it on hold for them. So I haven't been able to buy any furniture for like a month now because every time I go in there it's already sold. It's very frustrating. So I decided that I was gonna just go ahead and do that. So I saw these dressers listed, so I called about them and I asked how much they were and if they were in good condition. They were $25 for the set, and the lady said they were in really good condition other than the drawers were a little harder to pull out. But when I got there to pick them up, I was very disappointed. These things are really rough. They've had some serious water damage. It's just bad, like really. This veneer on the side is just all warped up, ripped off. It is bad. This thing is just coming on. This one's gonna be really fun. But anyway, so I was picking them up and I was just like, oh no, what did I just get myself into? It was $25 for the set, not a bad price. And once I got them home and looked them over, they have solid bones, but the sides are just destroyed. This is solid oak wood. The bones of this piece is solid oak. Sometimes on cheaper pieces, they'll have like a veneer over pressed board or like poplar wood, but this is solid oak board. And then the frame of it appears to be solid oak along with the drawer fronts. So it's really not a bad piece. So I have some good bones to work with, but unfortunately the sides on these are gonna have to be replaced, which I have never done before. So that's gonna be fun. One thing that was really odd about this piece, so usually on these sides, they'll have a either press board or a like poplar wood behind this veneer, but this doesn't have anything behind it. There's nothing there, which is odd, at least from what I've seen. I've not seen this before in any of the other furniture I've done before, so it's a little bit different. So these are gonna be a lot of work, but I think it's gonna turn out really great. So I am super excited on getting started on working on these, so let's get to it. Hi. Sorry. It's stuck in there, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I got it. There it is.
Yeah.
That was crazy. I don't know how in the world it got up on there. Yeah, there's like all these screws in there. So to start off this makeover, I grabbed my hand sander and began sanding down the old finish on the dresser tops and the drawer fronts. Then my hubby Obi helped me cut out some new sides for these dressers using a Luan sheet. We bought this 4x8 sheet for $10, and it's a great material for the sides of these dressers.
Just helping the wife out.
Now it's time to put the sides on, and I tipped the dressers over on their sides and I re-glued the support piece that had come off, and then I clamped it down until the glue was dry enough to hold it in place.
Then I liberally applied wood glue to all of the trim pieces that would be touching the new side piece, and then laid down the new side. While the dresser was on its side, I went ahead and cleaned off the underside of the dresser, which was full of cobwebs. Now it's time to paint, and I'm going to be using my favorite paint, Waverly Inspirations chalk paint in the color Elephant. I love this paint. It has such good coverage, richness in coloring, and the consistency. It goes on so easily, self-levels nicely. I just love this paint, and I love the Elephant color as well. After applying 2 coats of paint, I sealed it with Varathane's water-based polyurethane. One of the drawer fronts had come off, so I used some wood glue, re-glued it, and put it back in place. Now it's time to work on the wood, and I'm going to be whitewashing it using a taupe colored chalk paint, watering it down, and then brushing it on with a brush, and then I wiped away any excess. And I did this to all of the drawer fronts as well as both dresser tops. And I sealed this as well with polyurethane, and I applied 3 coats to the dresser tops. I'm so close to being done with these pieces. I cleaned all of the old hardware in some water with vinegar with baking soda, and then I sprayed them with a gold metallic spray paint. Unfortunately, in the process of painting the knobs, we managed to lose one of these little ones. So I decided to go with these I had on hand, and I actually really like the look of them, and I'm kind of wanting to do them on these as well, but I don't have enough, so I might have to order some. So the drawers weren't sliding well, so my husband came up with the idea of using coconut oil to grease them, and that helped so much.
This is ridiculous. How do you ever get any furniture done?
I don't. That's why I've been working on this for months. So just a quick reminder of what these dressers used to look like, and here they are now. Although I'm not in complete love with how they turned out, I must say they look so much better than what they did. I think if I were to redo it, I would have done maybe some different colors, or maybe done the wood a darker color, but I think they look okay. Let me know down in a comment what you think. I am so glad to have these done. I was struggling on finishing them. We lost a knob, and so I was trying to figure out what to do with that, and then the drawers weren't sliding in well, and I thought if I waxed the runners that would help. That didn't help, and then I was gonna sand the bottom of the drawers so they would slide in better. Well, I was having issues with my sander, and then Obi came up with the idea of greasing the sides. There's my son. He used coconut oil on the sides. That helped. It's like they slide so much better now. I couldn't believe that like coconut oil of all things would help that really slide.
Hey, Daddy!
Yeah, got that done finally. I've been putting it off too long and ended up getting the flu the other week, and so it's been a little crazy around here, but I'm very glad to have these done and hopefully sold soon. But anyways, before we talk about how much I listed it for, let's talk numbers real quick. So I spent $25 on the dressers. For the knobs on this one, I spent $3.48. I wish I didn't have to buy any knobs for them, but unfortunately, that's just how it worked out. And then for the sides, I figured about $5 because a sheet of Luan we bought for $10, and we didn't use probably even half of it, but generously I'm saying $5 for the sides. And then for the paint and the sealer, sandpaper, spray paint, all that stuff, they're about $10. Hi. So that's an all-in cost of $43.48. I listed these on Facebook Marketplace for $3.75. We'll see if I can get it. I'm willing to come down to $3.50, but I want to get at least $3.50 for them. I apologize for my son. He's hauling in baby wipes on his dump truck. Kids gotta love them. So now let's move into the comment section. Allison Webster said, "It's really great that you are saving furniture from the landfill. I look forward to seeing what you do with them. Best wishes, Allison." So she's commenting of the video that I did of all the furniture that I was able to save, which I just uploaded another one on Monday. We were able to go and pick up the rest of the furniture that they were gonna throw away, and very excited. Got a lot of furniture, although this is my last furniture flip I'm planning on for the year. I am ready to have my house emptied out of furniture just for the holidays. We're having family come. So anyways, I'm ready to be cleared out and be done for a little bit, take a little break. Another comment I got, which I thought was funny. It was a comment on a short about the couch that I flipped earlier this summer. The couch was in perfect condition. I just cleaned it up and it was good to go. And the person commented, Janet said, "Nice clean lines of couch. I was waiting for you to strip out the padding and reupholster it. I want to know how to do that." Like, I was definitely not the video that she was wanting because the couch was in such good condition. I was like, why in the world would I reupholster it? It was a beautiful, high quality couch. But anyways, I thought that was funny. Susan Campos says, "You did an awesome job, sometimes a little..." Can you please be quiet? "You did an awesome job, sometimes a little change brings extra joy into your artwork and energy in your home brighter too. Great job." So thank you for that comment. That is all I've got for the comment section. Again, if you want to see your comment featured in a future video, be sure to leave comments down below. It definitely helps out my videos. The more comments, I find that I get more views, so it definitely helps me out a lot. Anyways, that is all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are not already a subscriber to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below before you go, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye. You say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
You forgot your dump truck.
Bye.